right, new boaters, is this you? Just kind of wrapping the line around. I don't know, that should work, right? I don't know. I'll just wrap it around the cleat a whole bunch of times and kind of hope for the best, right? Is that what your cleat looks like? If so, it's not correct, guys. Let's show you how to tie a proper cleat hook. So let's get rid of this big mess and just undo it completely. Okay? And now what we're going to show you how to do is we're going to show you how to tie a proper cleat hitch. And so the first thing you need to take into consideration is what is the purpose of this line? So this is our portside bow line. The job of this line is to keep the boat from rubbing up against the dock, and it's also to prevent the boat from drifting back into the fairway too much. One of the things that so many boaters do is they tie their lines way too tight. Okay, your line shouldn't be tight unless it's working. And so what that means is if wind was blowing on the port side of the boat or on the front of the boat, blowing it out, then this line should be tight. If that's not happening, you want slack in all your lines. So on this line, I would say the appropriate amount of slack is something about this right here, okay? It gives the boat room to, move up and down with the tide and things like that. And again, it shouldn't be tight unless it's working. So now to tie our cleat hitch, what you want to do is you want to take this line, you want to come around the back side of the cleat horn, okay? You want to do one wrap here, all right? And pay attention. You want to come over this line here, okay? Around the cleat here, and then you want to put a loop in the line like that, put it on the cleat, pull it tight, okay? Because what you're looking for is you're looking for a bridge over two rivers. Okay, if you see that, you've tied your line properly. And that's it, guys. You don't have to wrap around the cleat a whole bunch more times. This is all you need to do. This is properly tied. Now, if you want to look like the real pro in the marina, we're going to do what's called Flemishing the line. Okay, so you got all this extra line. What do? A lot of people, what they'll do is they'll coil it around their cleat a whole bunch of times, or it's just laying there. What we're going to do here is really there's two things you can do. You can do what's called a daisy chain, or you can do what's called Flemishing the line. In this example here, we're going to Flemish the line. So just take the bitter end of the line here, put it on the dock, and just start coiling. All right? Coil. Just like that. And now what you have is you have a proper cleat hitch and a Flemish line. And when anybody walks down the dock and they see that, they're gonna know they're dealing with a professional. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, watch my other videos. My goal is to help you guys boat with confidence and have a great time out on the water. Captain Rob coming at you from Toledo, Ohio, out.